Introducing the newest addition to our product line, the Advanced Bullet Head Caster by Cartel. Featuring a multi-mode system and adjustable speed settings. This innovative solution is designed to meet your specific needs. Here's a step-by-step demonstration of how it operates. Power on the system and toggle the switches to enable the melt and cast controllers. Using the tablet, perform the following steps. Initialize the drive, select the speed and start the cycle. The system also features a jogging support function allowing for effortless forward and reverse jogging. This enables seamless mold cleaning, maintenance and replacement. These molds are interchangeable and can be easily replaced if damaged or swapped out to accommodate different bullet head configurations, allowing for flexible production capabilities. Additionally, an advanced cooling system is employed to enhance the cooling process, particularly when operating at high speeds and manufacturing large caliber bullets. Now that we've familiarized you with the system, let's move on to practical operation. To begin, let's insert a lead bar into the top tank. At the set operating temperature, the lead will melt within a few minutes. Activate the dropper switch. With the dropper switch enabled, the lead can now be released, initiating the bullet head production process. Next, the mold is retracted to the rear, where a cutting device trims the excess lead. Speed 2. Speed 4. The system separates the bullet head, transferring it to a collection tray, while the excess lead is conveyed to a separate waste tray for recycling and reuse in melting. Contact Cartel for more info. Our team will be delighted to assist with any questions.